Prior to our Windstar vacation, we stayed an extra night and I found a resort nearby for approximately $60 US, and here's what it looks like.
Flush with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one aloud.
Star Breeze was the cruise that we hopped on. At the time, the reason why I've chosen this cruise was that there was a deal going on. It was about $700 US and it was for a 7-day cruise. I saw that this is actually a boat that was owned by Seaboard. Unfortunately, it is an older ship. It was built in 1989 and it was refurbished from top to bottom. I saw that the room was actually very spacious, being even the smallest one over 230 square feet. I thought that we'll give it a try. According to a lot of the reviews on the site, it does provide a very good food, and according to their website advertisement, it does have a platform that you can engage in different water sports, which is kind of different from cruises where they port and you exit normally. There's a platform that you can dive right into the ocean, which is kind of nice, and they advertise themselves being a yacht style. Unfortunately, the time that we went, they actually didn't even open or operated the water sports. And when I inquired about it over the phone, when I booked the holiday, nothing was told. I even asked them several times, is this something that you guys are providing? And obviously they said yes. So that was a major disappointment for us. We only found that out, at the spot there. Obviously, I knew it was on a discount, but if this was even advertised it anywhere, even a small liner somewhere that says this is the only cruise that we do not have it, we probably might have chosen some other cruise line. Having said that, let's take a look at what Windstar can provide as far as other component is concerned. It was a refurbished ship. It was much better than older cruise ships such as the NCL, those ones being refurbished. To be honest with you, the feel is that you don't even feel like they have done much at all. Like they kind of patched up here, touched up there. This boat, however, it does feel acceptable. It's not going to be luxurious. That's not going to be the word that I'm going to use for it. However, they did try to, upkeep the ship. It is clean. It is extremely spacious. A lot of the space that you're going to be using, whether it's public or the private within the room, stateroom, it's going to be very spacious. So that's a plus side of it. The service are attentive. I wouldn't compare it with cruise lines such as the Viking or higher end cruise line. I would consider this the mid to lower end cruise line. The food was acceptable majority of the time. The best night is this night. It's the barbecue, and it provided a lot. There's lobster. There are a lot of choices. However, during the regular nights, it's better than Norwegian, but it's not as good as Celebrity or Viking, I would say. And for entertainment, the main entertainment that it has been a long time, but all the entertainment that was available to us was towel folding. It had this sense of, how Norwegian always talk about fun. This is kind of it. And what other entertainment that we have was for guests to be entertaining themselves pretty much, because they would give you the mic and people would start coming up and start singing or performing, which was a little bit of a shock to me as there weren't much entertainment to speak of on the ship at the time. In short, I don't regret going on Windstar. However, if I were to recommend a cruise to someone, I wouldn't recommend Windstar as there are a lot of options that provides superior service, superior value. Um, Windstar unfortunately isn't targeting what I'm looking for: good food, good experience, and good value. In short, I'm not going to be going on any more Winstarification. One final tip for everyone who is considering the cruise or considering exiting from Panama: there aren't a lot of flights flying out of Panama, especially to Toronto, so do plan ahead. There is a long wait time for a lot of people, and because there isn't much to do there, unfortunately some people did decide to just stay at the airport, and this picture you're looking at right now is what happens when you stay there overnight. Anyways, thanks for tuning in today. I hope my Windstar experience didn't disappoint you too much, but if it did, do check out my other videos on Viking and other cruise line. It is a lot more enjoyable and I have a lot more to say about them. Until next time.